Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Passive Path. Have you been searching for a genuine, reliable way to make around $1,000 a month from the comfort of your own home without needing to invest a single dime? Well, you've landed in exactly the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 proven methods that are not just possible, but are actually working for people right now in 2025. And the absolute best part, you can get started today, even if you have zero money in your pocket. So make sure you stick around and watch until the very end, because the 5th method is my personal favorite. And it has the potential to grow into a full-time income stream. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, let us kick things off with one of the simplest and most profitable ways to get started: freelance writing. Think about it every single day. Countless websites, blogs, and online magazines are desperately looking for fresh content. They need writers, and that writer could be you. You don't need to be a seasoned journalist or a best-selling author. All you really need is the ability to write clearly in English. Getting started is super easy. Just head over to sites like Upwork or Fiverr and create a free profile. In the beginning, you can offer smaller, more manageable writing gigs, like short blog posts or product descriptions, to build up your portfolio and reviews. Now, let's talk numbers. You can very easily charge between $30 and $50 per article. Let us do some quick math. If you just write 25 articles in a month, that's less than 1 a day. Boom! You're already looking at $1,000 or even more. It's that achievable. Here's a pro tip for you. To make your writing really shine and sound more professional, use free tools like Grammarly to catch any spelling or grammar mistakes, and even use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm ideas or polish your sentences. It's like having a free writing assistant right at your fingertips. Next up, our second method: becoming a remote virtual assistant or a VA. This is a role that's exploding in popularity. So many entrepreneurs and small businesses are overwhelmed with their daily tasks, and they're more than willing to hire someone to handle the simple online stuff. We're talking about things like managing their email inbox, scheduling meetings and appointments, or even just posting updates on their social media accounts. You can find these kinds of VA jobs on platforms like Indeed, FlexJobs, or Remote KO. The pay is great too. Even part-time VAs can expect to earn between $15 and $25 an hour. If you work just 2 hours a day, 5 days a week, that's easily around $900 to $1,000 a month, all from your home office. Here's a great pro tip. When you're applying, make sure to mention your availability in US time zones, even if you're located elsewhere. This little detail can make you much more attractive to a huge pool of clients based in the States. Alright, if you've got a creative spark. Method number 3 is tailor-made for you: Canva designing and content creation. You would be amazed at how many people are paying good money for simple graphic designs. We're talking about things like eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, beautiful Instagram posts, and scroll-stopping Pinterest pins. And the best tool for the job, canva.com. It's free, it's incredibly user-friendly, and it's packed with amazing templates that make designing a breeze. You can start by offering your services on Fiverr or by directly messaging small businesses on Instagram. Let's say you charge just $10 per design. If you can make 3 or 4 of those desagos a day, there's your $1,000 a month. It's a fun, creative way to earn. And here's a pro tip to get you more clients. Create a small portfolio of your best designs right there on Canva, and then showcase it on your Fiverr profile. Visuals are powerful, and showing potential clients what you can do is the fastest way to attract them. Moving on to method number 4, online tutoring or teaching English. This is a fantastic opportunity if you're a fluent English speaker. There's a huge demand for English tutors from students all over the world, especially from countries in Asia and South America. Platforms like Cambly, Preply, or italki make it incredibly easy to connect with these students. They handle the scheduling and payments, so you can just focus on teaching. The pay is very competitive, typically ranging from $10 to $25 an hour. Think about it. Even teaching for just 1 hour every day can easily add up to between $700 and $1,000 a month. It's a rewarding way to earn, and you get to meet people from different cultures. And here's a pro tip for you. For a platform like Cambly, you don't even need a teaching degree. As long as you have good communication skills and a stable internet connection, you're good to go. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for, my personal favorite, method number 5. Affiliate marketing. This is the exact strategy that so many people are using to generate thousands of dollars in passive income every single month. The concept is simple. You promote products or services from companies like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact Radius. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that straightforward. For example, you could start a blog, a TikTok channel, or a YouTube channel where you recommend useful gadgets, software, or books. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn money, even while you sleep. The key to success here, and my pro tip, is to choose a specific niche that you're passionate about, like tech, fitness, or personal finance, and then stay consistent with creating valuable content for your audience. So there you have it. My top 5 real, legitimate ways to make $1,000 per month from home, with absolutely no investment needed, and all of them are proven to work in 2025. Remember, the most important thing is to move from watching to doing. The key is to start small. Pick one method that resonates with you and then stay consistent. Take action today. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to start your journey, please hit that like button. Subscribe to The Passive Path, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on more income ideas every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.